Hi, and thanks for watching this Acumatica video on inventory two-step transfers. So in a previous video, we talked about one-step transfers, where the inventory transfer takes place in one step. For this demonstration, we're going to go through the two-step process. The business use for this is I'm sending it from one physical location to another, and I want to go through my picking and my receiving process because there's enough time in between the transfer that I want to keep track of it that way. So let's get started. So for this, we go over to sales orders and we open up a new order. But what we'll do here is we'll use a transfer order type. So in Acumatica, order types dictate the workflow that the order goes through. And in this case, again, this is a transfer order. Notice the customer disappears and we simply have a destination warehouse. So we'll select our destination warehouse as retail. So we'll pick our item and we'll move it from the wholesale warehouse. Quantity 1. Now what we'll do is we'll create a shipment out of this. We'll go through our pick and pack process. So if we're sending this through a carrier such as UPS, we can do that. And see our video on pick, pack, and ship in the sales order menu if you'd like more information on using the automated pick, pack, and ship fulfillment options. But for now, we're going to do this through the shipment. So we'll confirm this package and then confirm the shipment. And you can see we have our tracking number. And if we open up the little paperclip here, you can actually see the UPS label. So now this has been confirmed and shipped out. Now there's one other step we need to do, and that is update the inventory. And these steps you can do through a schedule. So now let's take a look at this item as it's in transit. So we'll open up our inventory stock profile. We'll go to the new allocation details screen. This is new as a 2019 R1. We have a video on this. And if we go to quantity by plan type, what we're looking for is an addition, something to add to our available quantity. Now, if we check off all records here, the InTransit shows quantity 1. Now again, notice this is not checked as included. That's because this item follows an availability calculator that doesn't automatically include this as available, but it is in transit as quantity 1. And if we continue to the first tab, you can see the InTransit document. This is the document that Acumatica is using to transfer this over to the retail location. So let's open that up to see what it looks like. It is a two-step transfer, and here's our item, and we're waiting for this to get received. So let's go through the receive process now. So we'll go into purchases, we'll go into purchase receipts, we'll create a new document. We'll change our type to transfer receipt. We'll select the warehouse, which is the retail warehouse. And now we'll add our transfer. So here we can see the in-transit transfer. We'll check it, add and close. And now we'll hit the release button to confirm this and get this into our retail warehouse. And that's it. So if we take a look at this stock item profile and look at the transaction history, we can see we did a transfer on this, quantity 1 out from wholesale, quantity 1 in. The transfer above was done on our one-step transfer, but this is the two-step transfer. Notice we used a transfer order type which is right here. And then we received it over here. And that's how you can tell. We use documents to make this transfer go through. So that's it. Thanks so much for watching. At the end of the video, see our contact information and reach out if you have any questions. Thanks again.